Namaste everyone, welcome to this 21 days yoga challenge. I along with my colleague Kishan Lekwer welcome you and highest gratitude to you for joining this challenge. आज है day 1 और day 1 में हम अब कुछ क्रियास करेंगे, कुछ movements करेंगे which we in our language we calling this as a hook step. Hook step इसलिए because अब ये पूरे अगले 20 दिन including today so 21 दिन हमें ये movement हर रोज करनी है, right? So with this let's get started. ओके सो अब हम इस तरह बैठ जाएंगे. दिस इज कॉल्ड दंडासना. सो इसमें आपकी बॉडी बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट होनी चाहिए, आपके जो टोज हैं वो बिल्कुल एक्टिव होने चाहिए, आपकी बॉडी बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट, स्पाइन स्ट्रेट, कॉलर बोन लिफ्टेड अप. आप अपने दोनों हाथों को हिप्स के साथ में लगा दीजिए और अपनी स्पाइन को थोड़ा ऊपर खींचिए ताकि आपकी स्पाइन पूरी एल शेप में सीधी हो जाए. और यहाँ पे आप लंबी 5 सांसें लीजिए. इनहेल ओम 1, ओम 2, ओम 3, ओम 4, ओम 5 एंड रिलीज. सो आपने इनहेलेशन एंड एक्सहेलेशन करना है. सो मैं हर पोस्चर में वील काउंट 5. नाउ यहाँ से हम एंकल रोटेशन करेंगे. So यहाँ पे exhale and slowly start rotating your ankles. Start rotating your ankles. We'll do it for 5 rounds clockwise and 5 rounds anti-clockwise. अपनी breath को normal रखिए. Very good. So 5 rounds done. Now the anti-clockwise. Keep breathing at the same time. Phenomenal breath. 3, 4, 5 and relax. Now change. अब यहीं से we're going to hug our right knee. We're going to hug our right knee. Make sure आपकी spine straight है, collarbone lifted up है, आपका left toe active है. और यहाँ से now your right leg, your right knee goes straight. Toes pointing up and exhale down. Once again, we'll do it for 5 rounds. Inhale, exhale down. Inhale, exhale down. Inhale, exhale down. Last time, inhale, exhale down. Now from here, we'll do the knee rotation for the 5 rounds clockwise and 5 rounds anti-clockwise, making sure you're breathing throughout. याद रखिएगा, it is not yoga अगर आप breathe नहीं कर रहे हैं, अगर आप सांस साथ के साथ नहीं ले रहे हैं. आपको किसी भी movement पे सांस नहीं रोकना. जब अगर ऐसा होगा, I'll give you commands. Very good. From here now 5 rounds of anti-clockwise. We have done 5 rounds clockwise. Now we are doing 5 rounds of anti-clockwise. सांस लेते रहिए as I keep saying this. One more round and relax. Thank you so much. Now we'll do this with the left now. So hugging your left knee and once again making sure your right toes are active. Spine is straight, collarbone is lifted up. Now inhale, exhale down. Inhale, exhale down. Third time, up and down, up and down. Now last time, up, down. Now from here once again the knee rotations. 5 rounds clockwise, 5 rounds anti-clockwise. Good. Keep breathing. Good. Very good. This goes the 5th round. Now the anti-clockwise. Once again making sure they are slow and complete movements. आपको एक बड़ा से बड़ा zero बनाना है यहाँ पे. Very good. This goes our 4th round, 5th and relax. Take a deep breath. Breathe. यहीं से आप बैठे रहिए, सांस लीजिए, लंबी सांस. फिर से दंडासना कीजिए. Engaging your core. Engaging your thighs, toes are active. Deep breath, inhale, exhale. One more deep breath, inhale, Exhale completely. From here we'll go to our second movement. Now up facing towards the camera. Now we'll do the butterfly. So butterfly में आपका एक मुट्ठी जितना डिफरेंस होना चाहिए आपके पैरों और ग्रोइन मसल्स में. इनको आप पीछे लेके आइए, पीछे लेके आइए. Make sure your spine is straighter, your collarbone is lifted up. You catch hold of your toes here. From here you start doing these movements up and down, up and down, and keep breathing at the same time. The phenomenal breath. Breathe, breathe. 2 more deep breaths. Breathe. 1 more deep breath. Breathe and release. Very good. Change. Now from here we'll sit in a Sukhasana. Simple chaunkadi ko बैठे हुए we call it as Sukhasana. Now from here our left hand go towards the right knee. Our right hand goes back. Make sure your spine is straighter. You're looking up and above your shoulders. You twist and you take a deep breath 5 times. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. One last inhale, exhale completely. Very good. And now from here we'll do the same thing on the opposite side 5 times. So your right hand go towards the left knee, your left hand goes back. Make sure your spine is up. आप उंगलियों को उठा भी सकते हैं so that your spine goes more and more up. You're looking up and above your shoulder. And let's start breathing. Om 1, Om 2, third round, Om 3, Om 4, try to twist more and more here. Om 5, and release, 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 release. Take a deep breath. Now change from here. Let's go to the Malasana. So from here, the Malasana mein make sure your spine is straighter. Your spine is straighter, collarbone is lifted up. आप अपनी knees को अंदर कीजिए और knees से अपनी elbows को अंदर कीजिए और knees को push कीजिए. Knees को push कीजिए. Try and open up your hips here. From here, join your palms together in Namaskar to your heart chakra. And यहाँ पे let's take a 5 deep breaths here. Inhale, exhale. Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, and release, release, release. यहाँ से फिर से आके एक बार चौकड़ी में बैठ जाइए, चौकड़ी में बैठ जाइए. Now we'll do the neck rotations here. Neck rotation. From here आपके दोनों हाथ आपकी knees पे रहेंगे. From here, inhale, start rotating your neck here. Start rotating your neck in a slow and a complete movement here. अपनी आंखों को खुला ही रखें ताकि आपको वर्टिगो, आपको चक्कर ना आए. सांस नॉर्मल रखिए. याद रखिए, मैं फिर दोहरा रहा हूँ, ये योगा नहीं है if you're not breathing. The movement has to be synced with your breath throughout. Very good. So this goes our 4th round. Good. Last time. 5th. Now the anti-clockwise. We have done the clockwise movements. Now we're doing the anti-clockwise movements. Once again, we'll do it for the 5 times. Keep breathing. Good. One last time. And release, release, release. Now change. So now we'll go for our last movement or last asana. It is called child's pose. So from here, we call this as a Shashank asana, rabbit pose or a child's pose. यहाँ पे कोशिश कीजिए आपके हील बटक्स पे टच करें. अपनी बॉडी को इतना पीछे लेके जाइए
और अपने सिर आपका अगर ज़मीन पर लगता है ठीक है, नहीं तो anyways it's all fine. So take a 5 deep breaths here. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, and release.
And slowly come up, slowly come up. So now our bodies are ready. हमने hook step कर लिया है. Now from here, get at least 4 feet apart. We'll do jumping jacks. So let's just start doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep doing. Do it at least 20 times, if not more. And relax. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Get your heartbeat normal. Take a lot of oxygen. Exhale. Do it at least 20 times, if not more. As I said, inhale, exhale. Completely. Moving on to the second. So now from here, once again, get at least 4 feet apart. So we'll do alternate toe touchings. So यहाँ से, so for example, my right hand go towards the left toe, and you look back of your right hand. So from here we'll start. Same thing on the opposite side. Keep doing. Breathe normal. हमें पूरा twist करना है. That's why I said look back of your hand. So once again, the same thing applies. Do at least 20 times, if not more. याद रखिएगा, कुछ मूवमेंट के बाद ही हमारी बॉडी वार्म अप होती है और इसका असर आना शुरू होता है. एटलीस्ट 10 या 11 बार करने के बाद. तो 20 बार तो हमें करना ही है. अगर उससे हम ज़्यादा कर सकते हैं, that will be wonderful. And relax. Take a deep breath. So पैरों के बीच में गैप चले आइए. लंबी सांसें लीजिए. बाहें फैला लीजिए. Just like a शाहरुख खान. Take a deep breath here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Completely. Now moving on to the third, we'll do the side crunches. तो आपके दोनों हाथ आपके पीछे जाएंगे, behind your neck, behind your head, fingers interlock. Now from here, we'll once again do it 20 times on the one side. So elbow goes to the knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. करते रहिए. As I said, do at least 20 times on the one side. So that means 20 on the right, 20 on the left. Keep breathing and relax. Take a deep breath. पैरों के बीच में गैप, because आपका बैलेंस भी थोड़ा लड़खड़ा सकता है. So keep it on the safer side. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Completely. And now moving on to the last for this day one, Vayu Nikshasana. तो इसमें once again at least a 1 feet gap. ताकि अगर आपको लगता है तो आपको थोड़ा और गैप चाहिए to maintain a balance, you can do that. But at least a 1 feet gap. The entire palm comes underneath your sole. Both palms, right and left. From here you get your hips down and up, down, एंड अप, डाउन, जितना आप नीचे जा सकें बेटर, एंड देन अप, डाउन एंड अप, डाउन एंड अप। इसे हमें एटलीस्ट 10 बार करना है, इफ नॉट मोर। मैं फिर बोल रहा हूँ बिकॉज इन मूवमेंट्स में, इन जेंटल मूवमेंट्स में आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बार करना होता है टू गेट दैट इम्पैक्ट ऑन अ डिजायर्ड रिजल्ट। Breathe, keep breathing. Inhale, exhale down, inhale, exhale, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, and relax. From here you can sit down in Sukhasana and take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale completely. आइए अब हम अपने आखिरी दौर की तरफ अग्रसर होते हैं। सो इसमें विल डू कपाल भारती एंड शवासना। सो कपाल भारती के लिए यू गेट योर हैंड्स इन चिन मुद्रा। सो आपका अंगूठा एंड योर इंडेक्स फिंगर जॉइंट टुगेदर इन चिन मुद्रा। मेक श्योर स्पाइन इज स्ट्रेटर, collarbone is lifted up, shoulders are relaxed, shoulders blades are relaxed. So यहाँ पे you get your eyes closed. Take a few normal deep breaths in and out. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Keep breathing. यहाँ पे मेरी कमांड होगी 1 and 2 की। 1 पे आपने फोर्सफुली एक्सेल करना है और 2 पे पैसिव इनहेलेशन आपका बॉडी खुद लेगा। सो फ्रॉम हियर 1 पे आपने फोर्सफुली एक्सेल करना है और 2 पे आपका बॉडी पैसिव इनहेलेशन खुद लेगा। लेट्स जस्ट टेक वन मोर डीप ब्रेथ। Exhale completely. Now inhale deeply and begin. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and exhale completely. Take a few deep breaths in and out. Slow down your heartbeat, slow down your palpitations. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale completely. अब यहीं से अपनी आंखों को बंद रखते हुए slowly stretch your legs out and go for a shavasana here. So without making too much of a noise, without keeping your eyes open, slowly roll back to Shavasana. In Shavasana, your feet apart, your palms at 45-degree angle, all your body weight towards the ground, especially your lower back towards the ground. And now हम यहाँ पे 5 गिनती करेंगे उल्टी, from 5 to 0. Inhalation and exhalation, your abdomen and chest lifts up. You mentally count 5. It goes down, you count 5. Inhalation up 4, down 4, up 3, down 3, up 2, down 2, up 1, down 1, up 0, down, 0, and relax. Now from here, slowly join your feet together, arms behind your neck, interlocking your fingers, giving a nice stretch to your body, lengthening up your spine, extending your toes, extending your arms, and stretch, 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 stretch. Big exhalation from around. From here, go towards the right side and slowly come up and sit up. Sit up. Joining your palms together in Namaskar. Bow to the Mother Earth, to the universe. Shanti. 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 Slowly eyes open. Thank you so much.